So in this video I'll show you how you can generate procedural fabric textures. Here I'm using model cushion. If you want to know how to create cushions, then you can check this video. The link is in description. Come to shading menu. Add a new material to our cushion. Now with selecting Principal BSDF, press Ctrl T to bring up essential nodes, but make sure that you have enabled Node Wrangler. Select the image texture node, press Shift S, replace it with Magic Texture. Then plug that node to normal. Now add a bump node between Magic Texture and Principal BSDF to give the texture a bump or high. Scale up the value so it looks like a cross-threaded fabric. So here we can see that our textures are stretched. So to solve this, we have two choices. First, to connect the mapping node to object. But it creates some ungranted patterns. So we are using UVs. Go into edit mode, press U, Smart UV project. We have done. So our second texture to use with it is Musgrave texture to add some grainy feel in our texture. Select all nodes and duplicate it with Shift D. Now same as earlier, I replace the magic texture with Musgrave texture by pressing Shift S on selecting it. Set the scale upwards. If you want to see the impact of any texture, you can just press Ctrl Shift with selecting that node. Scale the values down. Seems good. Enable the BSDF. So there are two textures. To mix those textures, we need a mix RGB node. Press Shift A and add a mix RGB node. Plug the first one texture to color 1 and the other to color 2. Now at this value you can see both the textures are visible on our cushion. At the value 0, the first one texture will appear. And at value 1 we can see the other texture. So to value those textures, then it will give a mixed texture. Add a noise texture and connect it to factor. Preview the noise texture with Ctrl Shift. Scaling up the value. Change the color of cushion. Come to render properties and set the render engine to cycles. So in cycles, we can't see our bump texture. For this, we have to input height in bump node. Make sure to subscribe. If you want tutorial on any topic, then you can mention in comment section.